So guys, welcome to the unboxing of my new HJC RPHA 11 motorcycle helmet. So I don't have words right now. So this unboxing video, first of all, I want to be thankful to my cousin brother who is doing his masters from Germany, and he is the one who got me this helmet. So this unboxing video is made by him. So he tried his best to cover as much as he can. So the reason I got this helmet is so basically there are two simple reasons. First, it's a typical racing and high performance riding helmet. You can't deny that fact. So RPHA 11 is like one of the latest models of HJC helmets right now. Second, you have already read the title. It's named after one of the best British MotoGP rider. That's Cal Crutchlow. In fact, Mr. Cal. So, and this helmet typically features his signature graphics on the back side of it. I'll show you soon. Looks like I got an extra visor. So that's the good part about this helmet. You get an extra dark smoky visor, which obviously looks dope. Excited to try it on. And since the winter is coming, I'm certain this spin log is going to be very useful for me. Let's see. And guys, since we are unboxing this helmet, I'm certain I have to pay some tribute to the legendary Cal Crutchlow. So couple of important things which I wanted to share, and in fact I got to know this thing while ordering this helmet. So while you do some research as into what exactly it is all about. So this biker Cal Crutchlow, his full name is Callan John Crutchlow, born in England. So he made his debut in the premier class of motorcycle MotoGP in 2011, especially riding for the Tech 3 Yamaha team. So over the course of his MotoGP career, I believe he has secured multiple race wins because becoming one of the top British riders in the sport. So yes, and one of his historic wins was in 2016 at the Czech Grand Prix, where he actually won an international title for his country after 35 years. So 35 years winning an international title, and that means a lot.
That's brave on the inside of Marquez at Woodcote. Oh, what a move by Crutchlow. Brave in the extreme.
Okay, Crutchlow again. He's got up the inside of Valentino Rossi.
Brilliant moves on Marquez and Valentino Rossi in the space of 3 corners. Cal Crutchlow then. Second place. He looks almost as happy with that second place as he did in the winning Brunel a couple of weeks ago, because that was a brilliant ride by Crutchlow.
Takes Great Britain's first podium in MotoGP since 2000.
The riders. Second place, Crutchlow takes second with the Yaris down. Second place, Cal. Front turn, Cal Crutchlow fights. He goes through. Surely it's done. He's just got one corner left. And here in Argentina, what a race it's been. Cal Crutchlow wins for the LCR. That was, it's fair to say,